Good morning. Welcome back to Passionate World Talk Radio Network, a wholly owned subsidiary of Global Media Network LLC. Educate, enlighten, entertain. And this morning on Monday Tips, we're going to talk about tips to master that power nap that everyone needs to have every now and then. And it's put out by Harvard Health. So look them up, https:// www.health.harvard.edu. And the title to look for is Tips to Master the Power Nap for 2026, January 1st week. Shouldn't have any problem filing it. You'll find it on our blog, passionatworldtalkradio.com/blog. Listen to the audio on the take a look at all the tips. In fact, look it up. There are all types of articles telling you how to take a good power nap. All right. So what does Harvard Health have to say? They say if you need a nap, the best time between 1 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon with your natural dips. So when you feel tired, you should take it, but you don't want to sleep too long. Limit it to 20 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, you may become groggy and have trouble sleeping later on. And potentially you can use an eye mask or earplugs. I just usually pull the curtains myself, although I've been known to fall asleep in cars, trains, buses, you name it. I can go to sleep very easily. So what else do you need to know? If you wish to wake up feeling refreshed, your mind is back in the saddle again, then you need to assess how long you can sleep before it starts creeping into trying to get yourself to sleep when you go to sleep at night. So here's the tips again. Number 1, timing is right. Nap in the early afternoon from 1 to 3 p.m. to catch the natural energy dip, but avoid late day naps that can interfere with your nighttime sleeping. 2, keep it short. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes to feel refreshed. Avoid being groggy. Avoid late night naps and interfere with your sleep. Also, you may want to set an alarm clock or your watch to wake you up. Create a cozy environment. Find a quiet, dark, comfortable spot using eye mask or earplugs if needed. Check your motivation. If you need naps often, evaluate if you're getting enough quality sleep at night and improve your nighttime habits, or see a doctor if daytime sleepiness persists. The benefits are short naps can improve alertness, cognitive performance, and creativity, as shown in studies with pilots, says Harvard Health. For night shift workers, napping before evening shifts and minimizing light when going to sleep can help. Fuel wisely. Pair naps with steady energy by eating lean protein and unrefined carbs rather than sugary snacks. And in addition, to help you, they also discuss, is your daily nap doing more harm than good? Well, that depends. You should stick next to a regular sleep schedule. But a midday snooze can be useful. However, make sure that you do it the right way. In many cultures, napping in the afternoon is not only common, but a regular part of a daily life. As many as a third of adults regularly partake in a midday cat nap, according to the National Sleep Foundation. If you're in good health, these daytime short sleeps can bring benefits, helping you catch up on a late night, making you feel less cranky, or ensuring you're well rested if you do a job that falls outside traditional daytime work hours. They can also keep you safe on the road and protect you from drowsy driving accidents. In addition to reducing sleepiness, naps have been shown to improve memory in the laboratory setting. And the Harvard Medical School provides you with a 6-week plan for healthy eating as well, so that it will make sure that not only are you eating the right foods, but you're getting the nutrition from them to help you sleep better. So what are the pros and cons of naps? For example, some studies have found that adults who take long naps during the day may be more likely to have conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and depression. The urge to sleep during the day may be a sign that they're not getting enough sleep at night, and is also associated with higher risk of developing chronic conditions. Daytime drowsiness also may be a sign that you're getting low quality sleep, which may indicate a sleep disorder. In some instances, napping sets up a vicious cycle. You sleep during the day to make up for your lost sleep at night, but then you have a harder time falling asleep at night because you slept during the day. Limiting naps is one potential strategy to improve overall nighttime sleep. If you do plan to take a nap during the day, here are some guidelines that you can follow, and we'll repeat them so they will not interfere with your nighttime slumber. Time it right. Again, the best time to sleep is the early afternoon, when your body experiences a natural dip. If you take a nap in the late afternoon or evening, it will likely be harder for you to fall asleep later. Keep it short. Abbreviated sleep around 20 minutes to 30 minutes may be the best way to avoid grogginess when you wake up. Shorter naps can also help to prevent you from having trouble falling asleep that evening. Time it right by setting an alarm. Get comfortable. For a high quality rest, be sure to find a quiet, cozy spot where you won't be distracted. Examine why you're taking the nap. If you do need to take it during the day, it's important to assess why you may be sleepy enough to fall asleep during the day, especially if you nap regularly. Track how much you sleep that you are getting at night. If you aren't getting enough, try to improve your sleep habits. If you're already getting at least 7 more hours of sleep at night and you're still tired during the day, call up your doctor, make an appointment. Tips for better nighttime sleeping. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, here are some strategies you can use to rest more soundly. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Avoid alcohol and caffeine late in the day. These can both interfere with sleep quality. Turn off your electronics at least 1 hour before bedtime. Blue light from screens such as a television or phone can make it harder for you to fall asleep. So shut them down at least 1 hour before you turn in. Exercise regularly. Daily workouts during the day can help promote better nighttime sleep. Set the stage. You'll get the best sleep if your room is cool, dark, and quiet. And be alert to signs of a sleep disorder. Pay a visit to your doctor if you're sleeping for the recommended 7 to 8 hours a night and you're still feeling fatigued. This is brought to you by Kelly Bilodeau, Bilodeau, former executive editor of Harvard Women's Health Watch. So that should help you. Thank you very much for listening. And please go over to our blog at passionworldtalkradio.com/blog, and you will be able to find it, the summary, read it, listen to the audio, check it out at harvard.health.edu with the title Power Tips for Power Naps. It all should help you. And if you have anything you want to have and share it with our audience about how you take care of getting enough sleep or your naps during the day, write us at pwrnetworkllc@gmail.com. Enjoy the rest of the week. Thank you and have a great day.